In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice pitch in Audiomass using speed up, slow down. We'll be working entirely in your browser with Audiomass, a lightweight audio editor that's quick to open and easy to use. The goal is simple: adjust how high or low a voice sounds by changing the playback rate. Keep in mind, this particular tool affects both pitch and speed together. Raising the pitch will also make the audio play faster, and lowering it will slow things down. Start by opening the Audiomass website in your browser and loading your audio file. You can either drag and drop the file onto the page or use the on-screen options to import it. Once it's loaded, you'll see the waveform of your audio across the timeline. This is where you'll make your changes. Decide whether you want to modify only part of the audio or the entire track. To select a section, click and drag across the waveform to highlight the exact region you want to change. If your goal is to adjust the whole file, select everything so the effect applies uniformly. Precise selection helps you tailor the outcome and avoid altering parts you didn't intend to touch. Now look to the top navigation bar and open the Effects menu. From the list of tools, choose Speed Up, Slow Down, Pitch. This opens a dialog where you can control how much the pitch and speed will change. In the dialog, use the playback rate slider or type a value into the input field. Moving to a higher number will raise the pitch and make the voice sound brighter and more energetic, similar to a chipmunk. Moving to a lower number will deepen the voice, giving it a slower, heavier character, like a giant. Subtle adjustments often sound more natural, so consider small increments to start. Extreme values can create noticeable artifacts, especially on voices, so previewing is essential. Use the preview button to hear a quick sample before committing. Listen closely for clarity, pacing, and how the change affects the feel of the performance. If it's too intense or not quite right, tweak the slider and preview again. A few careful passes usually lead to the sweet spot. Once you're happy with how it sounds, click Apply to finalize the change on your selected audio. If you need to revisit your choice, you can always undo and try a different setting. That's all it takes to adjust pitch in Audiomass using Speed Up, Slow Down. Simple, precise, and done right in your browser.